Uncle Chris smells so good. Okay, nieces and nephews, you saw that I went to the food pantry and I got all that wonderful iceberg lettuce and even better yet, romaine lettuce. Because I'm going to make a 7-layer salad. And since I already have the lettuce, I already have some honey, and I got some sour cream from the food pantry. All I'm going to pick up are the other ingredients, and I'm going to be able to make a 7-layer salad. Come on, shop with me. Okay, here we go. All I really need is a couple items, so let's go get that. Well, nieces and nephews, I'm so glad I got those things from the food pantry because these prices are no joke. So I am going to get some frozen peas right here. I'm going to get a couple bags of peas. All right. I believe they're $1.99. Wow. Thank God for the food pantry. Off to get the mushrooms. On second thought, nieces and nephews, I found something on sale. Yep. I'll get 2 bags of these and put the other ones back. Thank God for savings. All right. In fact, I'm gonna get some Italian cut green beans as well. Off to the mushrooms. Hey, nieces and nephews, we got mushrooms. Oh, they got the whole ones and they got the sliced ones. Same price. So guess what? Sliced ones I am getting. Yep. Why not? Let's see what else we got over here. How about, I see something I want to add to the salad. Celery. Oh, they got some good looking celery. Oh, look at this. How much? $1.79. You got it. All right. Now, off to the canned black olives. And here we are. Sliced black olives, $1.79. Don't mind if I do. All right. I believe we have everything. It's everything else we got from the food pantry. Let's hit the kitchen. You know what, nieces and nephews? Since I got all those greens, I decided to pick up some smoked meat to go with them. Yep. All right. Here we go. Time to check out. Let's see what the grand total comes to. Let's bag this up. I'm not doing such a good job on this. But I did a good job on the savings. When I get in the car, I'll let you know how much I spent. No, anticipation. I'm gonna make y'all wait till we get back to the Uncle Chris test kitchen. Alright, let's get back to the Uncle Chris kitchen. Got water too. Hey nieces and nephews, I just got back from the store and shopping. Now, I want to show you what I got from the store. But first I want to tell you how much I spent. $20. Hold on. I gotta get y'all to see this. I spent, can we see that? Is it in the light? Lord have mercy. I'm trying not to block the light. I spent $20. I don't know if y'all can see that. See if I can get it in focus. I spent $20, okay? Now, What should I get for that $20? I have 2 packs of green beans, frozen, 2 packs of frozen peas to go on my 7-layer salad that I'm doing. I decided to get some smoked meat for the greens, some smoked pork riblets. That'll be nice. I got some sliced black olives for the 7-layer salad. Also, some white mushrooms, sliced, and a big old stalk of celery, also for the salad and other things I'm going to prepare. And to top it off, I decided, to get me a case of spring water. Now, since I supplemented at the pantry, I was able to make, let's see, 1, 2, almost 3 meals. I got the greens, I got the stuff for my 7-layer salad, and I have a side of cut green beans, which I might make into a special vegetarian casserole. We'll see. All right, now in the next video, I'm gonna put together my 7-layer salad, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. Plus, my honey garlic dressing. It is delicious. You will love it. It's sugar-free because I make it with honey, okay? So there, yes, there is gluten. Is it gluten? No. Carbohydrates. There is a sugar in it, but it's honey, okay? Let me know if that's diabetic friendly or not. I am not sure, okay? Now, check in and see how I do that. And then we're also gonna show the next shopping excursion, okay, which is gonna be for the rest of the stuff that we got from the food pantry. And we're gonna do resale shop hunting. Oh, that's gonna be fun. All right, big love from Uncle Chris.